You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my ring.
Come on, guys, let's go in the water. Daddy, you're fine. Just get wet.
Yo.
Come on.
What?
Come on, get in the water.
Yeah? What are you doing?
I'm going.
Huh? You driving? Yeah.
You want me to see you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Look.
You good? Kick it out, kick it. Take it off of the tree, Max.
Go, Daddy. Hi. Good guy, I can swim. Can you guys see? Good. Oh, let me see. Wait, can you see? Yeah, it can see. Okay. There you go. I'm a Barbie doll. I'm a Barbie doll. I know everything. We're gonna... Guys, can you see Max over? Yeah, you guys can see Maximus. Watch this. We're gonna spray him. Welcome to Mermaid Alex and Max. Isn't it fun? Oh,
No, sir.
yeah.
Ooh.
Sweet.
Papa, you good? Papa is just driving, man. He just want to drive.
That's his hobby.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. I want to light up this grill today, but
Daddy, you're gonna cook barbecue? Daddy, try to make it go over my head. Now hit it.
woo,
Daddy, look.
want to fly, right?
Yeah. Get away, fly. Daddy, watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Papa, what you doing, Papa? You don't want to come in the pool? Woo-wee. Papa, what you doing? Hey, what you doing? You. You.
Watch me again. Watch me. Let's go. Come on. I only have Are you done? Again.
So guys, just in the backyard with the kids and having a little fun. Woo. I am burnt out. Yeah. You good? I'm gonna sit down for a second, alright?
You stole my heart of gold after my silver